So this is an AI-powered workflow builder, and it has been built with Langgraphs and Streamlit. This platform enables users to create visual node-based AI workflows. So it works somewhat similar to platforms like Endit and Make.com, but it is different in a sense that it is been directly built on top of Langgraphs. So this makes it a better option or a better concept to apply to the workflows where there are multiple agents and these agents need to communicate with each other. So the idea here is each node is a LLM node or an agent node, and we can create multiple agents and then connect or define the order in which these agents can be communicated through edges or conditional edges. Let's see this in action. Let's create a new workflow, and first let us add a node here. Let's say I would name this as this workflow as physics tuition, and description helps students to understand physics concepts. So I would add my first agent. For now, we don't have any tools to attach to this agent. This is because of the time constraint. But in future, we would also attach tools to each of the nodes. So each node is a proper agent. So first, let us define a node. It will be a explainer, and the instruction that we would give is you are a senior physics faculty. Help the user to understand the theory of the concepts asked. And for now, it would terminate at end. So I would save this node, and then I would add another node. So here our visualization is ready, but I would add another node, and let's say this node is problem setter. For the given problem, you would prepare some questions to brush up the concept for the students. And now let us save this node also. And we would yes, but still our graph is not properly configured. We would want our explainer node to direct towards the problem setter node. So that would be done in this way. Explainer. I would just change the routing rules to problem setter, and now I will save this, and you would see the corresponding workflow diagram. And let us execute this and let us see this in action. We would compile this workflow and explain me what is velocity, let's say, and now I would run this workflow. Yes, and now I have my answer, and the workflow has been executed. Basic understanding and the formula and the questions for it, as you would see in the manage apps, it was first directed to the explainer and then to the problem setter node. So all these nodes are reached in the sequence, in the desired sequence, and I also have some template workflows added already, so you can test this out in the similar fashion. You can preview this workflows, you can load this workflows, and you can also save the workflow using this save workflow option, and then they will be accessible here in the workflow options. And settings is to configure the LLM parameters, different parameters for LLM. So for future enhancement, we would add uh, tools to each of the node and more robust routing logics. So that's it from my side.